Welcome to another video from me, Charles, and on this video I'm in Hong Kong and I'm staying here at the Royal Garden Hotel. This hotel is in a great location and it's well served by public transport, and it's easy to walk to different places and different tourist attractions here in Hong Kong. This is a 5-star hotel and I've got to say it was very pleasant and very clean. In this video we will show you the room I was staying in. I'll also show you some of the restaurants and we'll have a look at the rooftop pool. The main restaurant is on the 3rd floor and the lift rises up from the 3rd floor to the 15th floor, and you can see all the rooms around the outside of the main restaurant, and it's quite spectacular as you go up in the lift. And in the evenings at dinner time and at lunchtime they also have someone playing the piano, which is very pleasant indeed. The room rate I had here was for room only, but you could purchase breakfast separately, which worked out around about £23, which wasn't so bad really for a buffet style breakfast with lots of choice. The hotel itself has 445 contemporary rooms and 54 separate suites as well. There are several restaurants here, including an award-winning Italian restaurant and an award-winning Japanese restaurant. There are lots of different cuisines available within the hotel, but in actual fact, very close by, outside the hotel, there are lots of bars, lots of restaurants, and lots of places to enjoy street food. You will not go hungry in Hong Kong. As we walk through the corridors, you can see how luxurious it is in this hotel. Now, if you want to go to the fitness centre, that is on the 17th floor. Beyond that, on the 18th and 19th floor, there are some exclusive suites that you can book here with the magical views of the harbour. And we're now heading up to the fitness centre on the 17th floor, which you can get to from the 15th floor from separate lifts. This is the reception here, and up here there is spa treatments available. There's also a gym, a jacuzzi, a sauna and a steam room, and down this corridor will bring us out to the 25-metre swimming pool, which is open all year round and is heated. We're actually passing the fully equipped gym, which is far too hot and I'm far too lazy to go into the gym. But we're coming round now to the swimming pool area, and when we go through these doors we'll see a lovely little pool here. This is not for swimming in, but it's very pleasant, and it's got some fish in there as well, some carp. And just look at the views. Pool is open every day from early in the morning till sort of early evening. I think it was at 8 o'clock close when we were there. And just around the corner we'll get a first glimpse of the swimming pool. Like I said, the swimming pool was heated. Great views as well. Plenty of sunbeds and complimentary towels as you go to the top. And in the rooms there are dressing gowns and slippers. As you can see right up the top there, some further suites and a lovely view out of the window there, right down to the water's front, and views across to Hong Kong Island. We are looking through glass, so it doesn't always really do it justice. And another look back at the swimming pool, which I've got to say was really pleasant. And if you want to pamper yourself, you can do. You can get one of the spa treatments. Or maybe you just want to go and have some nice food. We're going to have a look in the Italian restaurant in just a moment, which is a beautiful looking restaurant. And as we go into the fine foods shop, lots of fine foods on sale here, including some lovely cakes. I've got to say I was slightly disappointed that there wasn't tables and chairs where you could drink a pot of tea and have some cakes. Having said that, the cakes did look really nice. You could always buy them and take them back to your room if indeed you wanted to. And more goodies for sale there. There are lots of high-end shops in the hotel itself. No B&M bargains in here, that's for sure. Bottles of wine. We're making our way up now to the Italian restaurant. Let's have a quick look in. Be very careful here because there are people eating. Don't want to disturb anybody. This looks really nice, doesn't it? Very private, very secluded, very cozy looking. Up the escalator we go, and there are the glass lifts. Quite unusual seeing them inside, and this is inside my room, room 516. Let's have a look around. So in we go then, and this is a deluxe king room, one of 445 superior rooms that they have in the hotel. There are suites as well, 54 of those suites. Nice comfy chair, TV, telephone and desk. Plenty of lamps and lights. Really nicely lit actually. Teapot, or kettle I should say. Air conditioning, very important. And there are some switches there where you can say do not disturb. And into the bathroom we go. This one had a shower, but there are some with baths with a shower over the top. A large sink. And this was one of those rain showers. And I've got to say, the shower was really powerful and really refreshing. And of course, some toiletries there. And back into the bedroom we go. Bed was really comfortable. Nicely decorated. Bit of bingo club carpet there on the floor. Let's have a look out of the window now, out of the curtains, beyond the curtains. Lots of Chinese and Hong Kong flags there, celebrating 28 years since Hong Kong become part of China. And a bit of a miserable day, very hot though, hot and humid. Like I said, the room was air conditioned. Another quick look around the room now, and thanks for watching.